I want to feel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel.
I'm looking a little bit crusty right now.
I just got back from the beach and I took a short nap, so I'm also so sunburned.
Don't even. No. Lie to me.
Anyways, so I recently moved to the beach. I moved in with my friend, so that's really fun. And obviously I got a new room. So I'm gonna show you guys an updated room tour of new stuff I got and just how I set it up. I am in love with my room right now. I feel like it's so me, and I hope you guys like it too. And also I'll link a bunch of the stuff down in the description so that you guys could try to find some of these same pieces if you like them. And yeah, let's get on with the room tour. So starting at the door, when you first walk in, to your left, I have this cute little wicker dresser. This is where I keep all of my jeans. And then I have this cute little jewelry holder that I got off Amazon. It has 3 different pieces. It's really nice. And then you can put your rings in that one. Definitely recommend this. And then I have this little oil diffuser that I got from Amazon. And then this little lamp that is from IKEA. And then directly above it, I have this cute little rainbow wall kind of macrame-ish hang, and that is from Target. And then moving on, that's my trash can. I have this big closet mirror. Then I have this little wood hat hang. This is from Target as well, but I couldn't find it online, so I linked something similar to it. But I love this because it reminds me to wear my hats, and it's super cute. And then below that, I have my poof, and that is actually from Bells. It was a rare find, but you can find these like anywhere. And then that's my beach bag and my ring light. Then moving on, I have a matching wicker TV stand, and in these drawers it's just like kind of junk drawers. I have a cute little candle. Both of these are from Home Goods. And then my TV and Xbox sit on that, and my Switch. Then over here I have my bag that has all my computer stuff in it, and then this little basket from Target has all my bathing suits in it, and I just put this blanket over it to kind of make it look nicer. And then my books. And then this little pot is also from Target, and these little plants are from Target. And then this bamboo stick is actually real. Then on this wall I have this really cute macrame from Home Goods. And then moving on is the bed. This comforter set, it's a duvet set actually, is from Target. Same with this blanket and this blanket. And then actually this whole set of pillows, the sheets and this pillow and this pillow, are all from Target as well. And then the bed frame is IKEA. And then in the corner I have this really cute little mirror, and then this big macrame is from Home Goods. And then that's it. So now I'll just give you a cute little overview of the whole place.
I want to feel that you want it. I want to feel by the morning. I want to feel that you want it. Oh, let me feel.
I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite piece in my room was. Also, comment down below videos you want to see. Oh my god, my roommate just came home. Oh no. My roommate and my best friend brought me snacks. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys next video. Love you. Bye.